Hello my lovely students, today we are going to see coordinate geometry exercise 7.1. Okay, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at a point A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Okay, Champa and Chameli walked into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, do you think ABCD is a square? Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So they gave you the seating arrangement of 4 people. Okay, so Champa is saying they are sitting in a square. Okay, so for square they are forming a square, but Chameli disagrees it. So we have to prove whether Champa is correct or not. So we'll take A, B, C, D. Okay, so these are the points A, B, C, D. Okay, so we have to prove whether it is a square. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, what is the property of a square? All sides will be equal. Okay, a square, all the sides will be equal. Okay, so but rhombus also has all the sides equal. So we have to prove diagonals also. Okay, so in a square, the diagonals also will be equal. But in rhombus, the diagonals are not equal. So we have to prove AB, BC, CD, DA is equal as well as AC and BD is equal to equal using this distance formula. So easy sum. Come on, we'll do it now. So first I'm going to find A. Okay, what is A? A is x-axis 3 and y-axis 4. So 3, 4 and now B. Okay, B is x-axis 6 and y-axis 7. So 6, 7 and C is x-axis 9 and 4 is y-axis. 9, 4. D is x-axis 6 and y-axis 1. Okay, so now first AB. Using distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so you take A is 3, 4 and B is 6, 7. So 3, 4 equals to x1 equals to 3, y1 equals to 4 and here x2 equals to 6, y1 equals to y2 equals to 7. So I'm going to substitute in this. X2 is 6, 3 square plus y2 is 7 minus 4 square, which is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 3 square, okay, which is equal to 9 plus 9 equals to root of 18. Okay, the answer is for AB. AB equals to root of 18. Okay. AC. BC equals to B is 6, 7 and C is 9, 4. Okay. So x1 equals to 6 and y1 equals to 7, x2 equals to 9, y2 equals to 4. Okay, so distance formula again, D equals to root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which will be equals to root of x2 is 9 minus 6 square plus y2 is 4 minus 7 square, okay, which will be equals to root of 3 square plus minus 3 square, which will be equals to root of 9 plus 9 equals to root of 18. Okay, so BC. Okay, BC equals to root of 18. Now CD. Okay, CD. Okay, CD is C is 9, 4 and D is 6, 1. Okay, 6, 1. So if you take this, x1 equals to 9, y1 equals to 4, x2 equals to 6, y2 equals to 1. So again D formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is equal to root of, what is x2? x2 is 6 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 4 square, which is equal to root of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, okay, which is equal to root of 9 plus 9 equals to root of 18, okay. So now we have done CD. Now we have to do AD. Now we'll see AD. Okay, so what is A point? 3, 4. A is 3, 4. And what is D? D is 6, Y. Okay. So again, distance D equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. This should be equals to root of, what is x1? Here x1 equals to 3, x2 equals to 6, y1 equals to 4 and y2 equals to 1. So x2 is 6 minus 3 square plus y2 is 1 minus 4 square, which will be equals to root of 3 square plus minus 3 square, okay, which will be equals to root of 9 plus 9 equals to root of 18. Okay, so this is AD. We have done AD. So we got AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. Okay, so we got all the sides equal. But as I told you, to be in safer side, rhombus also has all the sides equal. So diagonals also we have to prove equal here. Okay, to say it's a perfect square. Okay, so for diagonal, if you take the diagonal, what are the diagonals? AC and BD. Okay, so AC, now you have to find AC. Okay, AC points are, A point is 3, 4 and C points are, what is C points? 9, 4. Okay, 9, 4. From this, x1 equals to 3 and x2 equals to 9, y1 equals to 4, y2 equals to 4. So now, so root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, okay, which will be equals to, what is x2? 9 minus 3 square plus what? Y2 4 minus 4 square, okay, root of, it will be equals to, so 6 square will be equals to root of 36, which is equal to 6, BD. Okay, now BD, what are the points? B point is 6, 7. Okay, B point is 6, 7, D is 6, 1. Okay, D is 6, 1. So again, distance from D equals to root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so it will be equal to x2, which is x2. This is x2. So 6 minus 6 whole square plus what is y2? 7 minus 1 whole square. Okay, root of, which is equal to 0 plus root of 6 square, which is equals to 36 root of, which is equal to 6. So that's it. BD equals to 6. So diagonals also equal. Okay, if you check AC is equal to BD. Okay, so AC equals to BD. Diagonals also equals. Hence it's proved. Yes, what Champa said is correct. Okay, Champa said is correct. ABCD is a square.